Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update Samsung Galaxy S7 using Odin app without data loss. Okay, first we need to check what is the current version of our software, because when it comes to Samsung devices we need to remember that we can only flush and install the same version that we currently have and every version above. It's simply impossible to install older version than our current. But in this video we want to perform an update, so it is logical that we want to get a newer version. Now, go to About Phone, now Software Information, and in here we have our current version of the software. In my case it's G930F S8 ETC3. Okay, so once we know that, we can power off the device, hold the power button, and select power off. Now visit our page, HardReset.info, you can see the link right in here. Go to download section, and in here type Odin, click on search, download the latest version 3.14.4, simply hit the download button, and then type Samsung drivers, click on search, select these drivers on the right side. Oh, an error has appeared. And also click the download button. And then open up a new tab, type SAMSUNG G930F Firmware, select it. I highly recommend to use that page, samfw.com. Keep scrolling down, and in here type your country or CSC code. I have the Polish version, so I'll select Poland. Now keep scrolling down, and in here we have all versions of the software. I had this version, ETC3, so let's say that I want to have the latest one, this one right in here. So let's click that. And we have 3 download links. Let's say that I'll pick the one in the middle, there is no difference. What should you pick? And then hit the download button. Okay, now go to downloads folder, and in here we have our Samsung drivers, our software, and our Odin app. We gotta extract those 3 files. You can use WinRAR for it. Right click WinRAR and click on extract to, or click on extract all and extract. It will also fully work, all 3 files, so remember about it. Then open up the folder with the Samsung drivers and you gotta install them. The installation process is really easy. All you need to do is to click on next, 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 and then wait until it's installed. It will take like 5 minutes, I think. It won't take long. In my case, it's already installed, but if you're installing those drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation, so thanks to that, everything will work properly. Now, let's launch the Odin. Actually, I have forgot to extract my software, so let me do it real quick. Now, open up the Odin, the folder with the Odin, and launch the program. Click on OK. We have our app, and now on our phone we gotta enter the download mode. To do it, we need to hold the power key, home button, and volume down. Keep holding all 3 buttons. Okay, now click on volume up. We are in the download mode, and now we gotta connect our phone to our computer using the USB cable. So connect your phone. And it's also really important that in Odin app we need to see our phone as the numbers right in here under ID.com. If you see that, it means that everything is okay and our phone is successfully connected. Okay, now click on BL, go to downloads, open up the folder with your software. We have clicked the BL button, so we gotta select BL file. You can select it and click on open, or you can double click. Now go to AP, select the AP file. This one is going to load a little bit longer, because that's the biggest file that we have. So we gotta keep waiting. Now the CP, select the CP file. And now really important part, click on CSC and select Home CSC. You cannot make a mistake in here, because if you pick normal CSC file, your phone will perform a factory reset. But we don't want that. We just want to update our software. So that is why we gotta select home CSC. And now if everything is loaded, click on start. Okay, as you can see, it has started right in here. It may take a little bit, so we just need to keep waiting now. Okay, when it says pass, it means that everything worked perfectly. We can also unplug the cable. We won't be needing it anymore. We can also close everything up. Odin, downloads folder. Let me actually go to the full screen maybe. Okay, as you can see, there's an update going. Don't worry that it says erasing. Nothing is being erased, I promise. After that, after this loading, the home screen will appear. So let's keep waiting. And as you can see, our phone has turned on. And we can also verify the version of the software in the settings. So let's go to About Phone. Okay. Then software information. And as you can see, we have our new version right in here. It has changed. So everything worked perfectly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.